Let's be real, once you switch to a bidet, you never look back. But finding one that keeps the water warm without costing a fortune is tricky. I bought and installed the top 5 bidet seats to see which ones are actually worth the plumbing work. I tested them for pressure, warmth, and ease of use so you don't have to guess. Product number 1, Brondell Eco Seat 101. Starting with the Brondell Eco Seat 101. Now I have to be upfront, this is the only one I tested that is non-electric. That means the seat isn't heated, but I included it because the build quality is fantastic for the price. When I took it out of the box, it felt surprisingly sturdy and sleek, not like cheap plastic. Since you don't need an outlet, the installation was the fastest of the bunch. It has dual nozzles for front and rear washing, and the chrome dial on the side is super satisfying to turn. The water pressure is excellent, honestly stronger than some electric models. Just know that because it uses your home's water line directly, the spray is cold. If you live in a freezing climate, this might wake you up too fast. But if you want a simple, durable wash without worrying about wiring, this is the best entry-level pick. Product number 2, Bio Bidet Slim 2. Moving on to something much warmer, I grabbed the Bio Bidet Slim 2. The profile on this is fantastic. It sits low and doesn't look like bulky medical equipment on your toilet. The standout feature here is the tankless heating system. In my testing, that meant the warm water didn't run out halfway through the wash. It's genuinely on demand. I really like the remote control. It has shortcut buttons that make it easy to use if you aren't tech savvy. I also appreciated the white LED nightlight. It's soft enough that it didn't blind me during a 2 a.m. bathroom trip. The stainless steel nozzle also felt cleaner and more hygienic than standard plastic ones. If you have a busy household and need back-to-back warm washes without waiting for a water tank to reheat, this is the one to get. Product number 3, toto washlet. Then there's the toto washlet. You can feel the difference in engineering just lifting the lid. It's the heavyweight champion for a reason. My favorite feature during testing was the PREMIST. It sprays the bowl with water before you even sit down, which stops waste from sticking. It sounds small, but it totally saves on cleaning time. The heated seat warms up fast, and the air dryer actually works pretty well, though it takes a minute. It's definitely the most customizable. The remote lets you set distinct user profiles, so my settings didn't mess up my partner's preferences. It also has a deodorizer that kicks in automatically, which was a nice bonus. It's pricier, but for that high-end hotel experience where everything is automated and self-cleaning, the toto is hard to beat. Product number 4, Alpha JX. I was really excited to try the Alpha JX because of the hype, and honestly, it lives up to it. The first thing I noticed was how quiet the motor is compared to the others. It uses a tankless heater too, so you get that endless warm water, but the spray pattern felt softer and more aerated to me than the Bio Bidet. Installing it was a breeze. I didn't even need to look at the instructions. The remote is wireless and handles everything from the heated seat temperature to the nozzle position. I also love that the lid is sittable, something a lot of bidet seats lack. It feels like the sweet spot between luxury and practicality. If you want a set it and forget it, reliable seat that feels premium without the massive price tag, this is my personal favorite for daily use. Product number 5, Smart Bidet SB1000. Finally, I hooked up the Smart Bidet SB1000. This one is all about giving you options without breaking the bank. You get 5 levels of water pressure and 3 temperature settings. When I used it, I found the energy-saving mode pretty useful since I don't need the seat heating up the bathroom 24/7. The warm air dryer is a nice touch, though like most of them, you need a little patience to get fully dry. The soft closing lid is a standard feature but works well here. No slamming in the middle of the night. It fits standard elongated toilets easily with that 5.5-inch bolt spread. I'd say this is the perfect middle ground option if you want the electronic features like the dryer and heated seat, but don't care about the fancy stuff like pre-misting or tankless heating. Overall, the Alpha JX was my favorite all-rounder, but the toto is the king if you have the budget. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices and see if any coupons are active. Thanks for watching.